GreyHatBeard Bitesize.
Hello and welcome to another GreyHatBeard Bitesize recording. Here we're talking about Microsoft Search from within SharePoint. We'll be looking at a SharePoint team site and seeing how the search works. Here you can see the Mark 8 project team site. And if you look at the search along the top, it says search this site. So it's showing this context. It's showing and telling you that you'll be searching this by default. And if we look for project and start to bring back results, we're only bringing back results from the context of this site. If you look, you can see that it's from that Mark 8 project team site within the different libraries and contents within there. And it's a combination of files and pages as well. And we get that document preview that appears on there. So whether you're looking at the page, whether you're looking at the PowerPoint, as you can see here, you're actually getting who modified it, the date they modified it, the ability to open in a new tab. And you can go and take a look at that preview. And even if you hover there, you'll see it takes a couple of seconds just to load, but then you can actually browse through that document itself, all from within SharePoint, but without having to open the document. Now, though we are in the context of that, we can click on the organisation link there in the breadcrumb trail and start to search across everything. So you're staying within the site, but you can expand your search to return back other items looking for a project. But when you exit that, you've remained on that SharePoint team site. You haven't jumped back to a standard search. You're still there within the same SharePoint team site. You've still got that search this site that you can go and look through. Let's have a look through requirements, and you'll notice it pulls up a doc called project requirements, which is often one you're looking for. And we can use the verticals to get the filtering there. So we can look at just files. If we know we're looking for a file, we can bring that back. And it's worth noting that when looking for those requirements, it's actually searching within the document itself. So it's not just looking at that title, it's looking within the context of those details that you're looking for. Now, if you are working on a document library, you'll notice when you click on that, when it eventually loads, it changes to search this library. So you get the context there. And when you search for requirements, you are just searching within this specific library. So none of those pages come back, but we're getting those different files that have appeared all within the documents library. You get a slightly different view, so you don't get the same preview and others. You're searching within that, and you've got the list views, so you can get the compact and tiles as you would with the results there, but you can get to your documents very easily and then flip back to the main page just by clicking on the icon in the top left. If we go back to the another site here, and in fact this site is actually a hub site, and you can tell that, you can see from the top navigation the work at Contoso. So it's got a set of other subsites, and in this case the search says search across sites. So this search will encompass everything across all the different sites. If we look for marketing, you'll see most of the sites are actually coming up with sales and marketing, which is one of those, not subsites, but ones underneath the hub. But if we look down, hopefully we should see, yeah, down at the bottom there, this is actually within the HR site. So it's not looking in this main hub site. It's not just looking at marketing. It's looking across all those areas to get the context. And you've still got those verticals, slightly different verticals, depending where you're looking. You can define those different verticals for your site that gives you the details that you want within there. And if we exit that, it takes us back to that main hub site as well. So there you can see SharePoint Search giving you plenty of capabilities. Please do look out for the other GreyHatBeard Bitesize sessions.